Still letting everyone know exactly what you have read their WhatsApp messages? Here is a how to stop in less than 30 seconds. If you like reading messages first and replying later, this setting is for you. It gives you a little more privacy without deleting or hiding your chat. Open WhatsApp and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to settings, then tap on the privacy. Now scroll down until you see the read recipients. If the switch is turned on, tap it once to turn it off. That's it. From now on, other people won't be able to see when you have read their messages. But here is one more catch. Also, you won't be able to see what they have read messages either. It works both ways. So keep that in mind before turning it off. Okay? So let's take an example, Mr. Y. Now we will chat with him. I will send hi message to him. So let's get the reply from him. Yeah, so we got the reply from him. Here you can see that hi message doesn't get the blue tick. Now we will again send the hi messages. Now I will turn on the read recipients so that you can see the blue tick. Both will see the blue tick now. I will show it. Yeah, now I have turned the read recipients. Now let's send the hi messages. Now let's wait for the reply. Yeah, you can see that the blue tick has got from the both the end. So this is how it works. And that's all. If this quick tip helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tricks, hidden features and Android tips. So stay connected. Thank you.